Well, hello my pretties. How y'all doing today? Today I will be installing this wig for my daughter. She brought me this wig. Seems nice. She doesn't want me to pluck it. I feel like it could use just a little plucking, but she doesn't want me to pluck it. It's nice. We're going to blend it in because we will not be tinting the lace. So we'll blend it in. So I'm going to start braiding her hair back and we're going to get started. Stay tuned. Now that I put her cap on, I'm going to lay it down with the freeze spray and blow it with the blow dryer. Now I'm going to cut this cap around her forehead so I can put the glue on to apply the wig. I am so sorry. I didn't notice at the time that I was blocking the camera. I'll make sure I'm aware of that next time. Right now, I'm just gluing down the frontal. So now what I'm doing is just cutting off some baby hairs. She doesn't want a lot of baby hairs in the front, so we're going to make it very minimal. Okay, so now I'm just going to be pulling out some strands of hair to define her part a little more. She does not want me to pluck it, so remember, I'm not plucking, but we have to define the part. And I'm going to put some mousse in her hair. She wants to style it later because she's going out for tonight, and it's just a wet and go hairstyle. So I'm just installing the lace and putting some mousse and just letting everything blend together. And then tonight she'll wet it and let it dry on its own. And that's her hairstyle that she wants. So my job was just to install the frontal. So now it's time for me to put some concealer in her part just to give the appearance of her scalp. So the concealer color is blending in with her skin color and it's making it look real. So we're just putting just a little bit around the front edges where the baby hair is too. And then I'll be done. Close-up picture of how I laid her lace front, and it looks like it's her scalp. Good job, work of excellence.